Hey guys, this is a snowstorm coming in St. Louis. If you live Avery City, has winter storm. I mean, that was loud. Winter storm. Please stay safe. Stay indoors. If you are driving on the highway, please be careful. Okay? Because I don't want. Because it would be ice, snow. It would be the snowy weather. Tonight, we have snow coming. Later tonight will be heavy snow. Very nice. So, guys, please be careful on the road if you're driving. Please be careful. If you're on a truck, be safe. Okay, guys? I love you so much. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.